to our show.
Welcome back to our show.
Welcome back to our show.
Welcome back to our show.
Welcome back.
Today we are going to make a watermelon and berry smoothie.
The ingredients are mint, watermelon, there's some lime, and we're also going to have some berries in there. Some are frozen and well, we had some frozen berries, but then we left them out and they've got a bit melty.
We have blackberries, blueberries and raspberries and some fruit juice.
Blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, all the different types of berries are really low in sugar. So is watermelon as well.
Usually you would have to put like water in smoothies, but because we've got watermelon, it's so full of water, you don't need to. So I'm going to get half a lime. So that we're just doing one batch at the moment. And I'm just going to get half a lime and just...
Darshan is now going to put in the mint. Squeeze lime, you have to...
The mint is going in now.
Well, I think we should chop the watermelon into pieces about this big and just throw them in like that.
I put 3 chunks in.
So, throw them in. Remember to like squish it down a bit.
Just do that one.
And then this recipe will take about literally 5 minutes because it is very easy. We need to do some ice.
The ice will make it a little bit colder and it'll just make it like really slushy.
Instead of having fizzy drinks and juices, we have this. And it has no sugar at all, just natural sugars from fruit. So that is the best thing about it. Our watermelon and berry smoothie. Do you think we could get some cups? Okay, do you think you could hold the glass on with that?
Yes. Stop.
Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're just going to get a single blueberry for each one. Hang it off the side.
There we go. Last year I was having smoothies that were, they were called the green smoothie, and it had ginger, jalapeno, kale, pineapple. It was nice, but I just kept on having it, and we got this smoothie recipe from one of Mummy's clients, Shivani. She knew that I was going through a tough time last year, and she said try this watermelon and berry smoothie because she thought it's much sweeter, but it's still really low in sugar. So this is a really good smoothie to do if you're struggling and if your immunity's low and you just need a nice drink.
Okay, so now it's taste dash. Now it's tasting time, so we're going to taste our smoothies. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Lovely. Thank you so much, Shivani. And it's such a refreshing drink, so
We'll see you
lovely. We'll see you
next
next time.
Bye.